Good morning, students. Today let us learn about articles. You all know that a and the are called articles. Actually, they are demonstrative adjectives and are used to point out people or things. Let us learn about these all articles in detail. We use a before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with a consonant sound. Example, a man, a cow, a cat, etc. These all are countable nouns. Man, cow, goat, all are countable nouns. And they are in singular number also. And also, they begin with a consonant sound. Consonant letters you all know. A, E, I, O, U. Except these, we can say other letters are consonant. Okay? And the sound they give is called a consonant sound. A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. We always use a before a consonant letter and a consonant sound. But here are some words that begins with vowels. But we have to use a before that. Okay? We can't use and before that. We can use only a. Let us take the examples. University, European, 1 rupee note, one-eyed man. The words university and European begin with the vowels U and E. But both these words are pronounced with U sound. U sound is a consonant sound. So, we have to use a before university and before European. Next, the word one begins with the vowel O, but one is pronounced with the W sound, which is also a consonant sound. Therefore, we say a 1 rupee note or a one-eyed man. We usually pronounce a as a. Next, an. We use an before a countable noun in the singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. You all know that a, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel. Okay? And we use an before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with the vowel sound. Okay? Example, an ant, an apple, an elephant, etc. All these three nouns start with the vowel sound. Okay? And these all are countable also. And also they all are in singular. But they begin with a vowel sound. Okay? Sometimes the letters will be vowel, but that we pronounce as consonant, like university, European, etc. Okay? In that case, you have to use a. Here are some words that begin with the consonant letter, but the pronunciation is vowel sound. Okay? In that case, we have to write an. You have to check whether the first letter of the word is consonant or not and what is the sound of that letter. Okay? If it is consonant, we can't write soon a there. we have to pronounce that one. Okay. If the sound is consonant, then we can write A there. If the sound gives us the vowel sound, if the letter gives us the vowel sound, then we can use an there. Okay. Let us take example. An hour, an honest man, an honorable man. Here H is silent. In all cases H is silent. Okay. So O is coming. O sound is a vowel sound. So we can write an there. So we use an before a countable noun in the singular number beginning with a vowel sound. Okay. A and an are indefinite articles. They suggest any person or thing. Next, let us learn about the article the. The is the definite article. We use the before any noun when we want to particularize it, means point out it. Okay, then we can use the there. Let us take example. We lost the ball with which we were playing. Here we are not talking of any ball but the ball with which we were playing. Okay, that we are saying, particularize it. Okay, then in that type of sentences we can use the. If we point out any noun, then we can use the there. Okay. Close the window on your left. Here also the is used before window. Window is a noun. Why? Because it is pointing that the window on your left. It is particularized. Okay. In that type of sentence we can use the. We can use the with the superlative degree. Sumesh is the most intelligent child in the class. Here most, we used the most. This is superlative degree, most. Before that we can use the. Degrees of comparison you have already learned. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay. It will end in the ST. Okay. Most, best, largest, highest. These are called the superlative degrees. Okay. Before these degrees we can use the. We must use the there. Okay. We use the with the words like first, last, next, only. Okay. The last, the only, the first, like that we can use. Okay. Who is sitting on the last bench? Then we can use the there. Okay. Next, with a common noun, when that noun represents the whole class. Example, the rose is a beautiful flower. Okay. Here we use the before rose. Why? Because it represents the whole class. Okay. So we can say, we can use the before a noun which represents the whole class. The dog is a faithful animal. Here it also represents the whole class. Okay. Dog represents the whole class. So we can use the before dog. Okay. We can use the with earth, moon, sun, sky, etc. Okay. The earth, the sun, the sky, etc. Okay. The earth revolves round the sun. Before these nouns, we can use the. Next, we can use the before famous rivers and seas and oceans. The Narmada, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, etc. Okay. Then we can use the before mountain ranges. The Himalayas, the Mount Everest. Okay, like that we can use. And before holy books, we can use the before holy books. The Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. Okay. Before the names of trains, ships, aeroplanes, we can use the. Okay. The Rajdhani Express, the Kerala Express, the Wright Flyer, the INS Vikramaditya, etc. With the name of countries, if the name includes a common noun, okay, the UK and the USA. Okay, these are developed countries. UK means United Kingdom. USA means United States of America. Means states and kingdoms are common noun. Okay. Omission of the article. We can't use article before proper noun, abstract noun and material noun. Okay. Let us take example. Ashoka was a kind ruler. India is a great country. Okay, here Ashoka and India are proper noun. Before proper noun, we cannot use article. Next, beauty is admired by all. It is an abstract noun. So before beauty, we can't use article. And gold is an expensive metal. Here, gold is a material noun. Okay, before material noun, we can't use article. Okay. Children, hope you have understood today's lesson. If you don't understand it, please once again you watch the video well. Okay. Let us end today's class here. Thank you.